Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and then so you can get notified next time when I drop another video. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through the process how we pour in the V-drain. So the first thing first that I do the inspections. On the inspections, I check if the area, for an instance, today we are pouring the infall panels. So I'll check if the area is clean, and then I'll also check if they apply the joint text every fourth panel. So where we apply in the joint text is called the expansion joint, and then where we don't apply the joint text, it's just the butamin. It's called the construction joint, okay? And then I will check if they applied a butamin, and then also I will check if they applied the shutter oil on the shutter so it doesn't bind with the concrete when you're stripping it. And without wasting any time, let's get into the inspections.
Abantu baqhawula izinto zawo zabantu abangodade ebusuku bayiqhawule begqube irholela bazofuna imali yayo abasafuni yona bafuna imali yayo bayithande imali.
I'm back from the inspection with the resident engineer. So he approved everything. So what we do exactly, I do the inspection, I check if everything's okay. If I'm happy, I go and call the RE, and then the RE come and inspect if everything that I checked is correct. See, sometimes like it get rejected and then we have to fix some areas. But for this case, the inspection went well. So I've just phoned the concrete supplier. So the concrete will be here in the next 20 or 30 minutes because the concrete supplier is not far from where we're working. And then on the V-drains, we are using a W30 mix. And then the slump for the W30 mix, it must be 75 as per drawing specifications. But we are allowed to go 25 mil less and then 25 mil up, which means our allowable slump will be from 50 to 100. Anything between 50 and 100 is fine, but anything out of 50 and 100, like for an instance, if we do a slump test and then we get 49, it's a reject. We have to send the truck back. And then if we do the slump and then we get 101, it's also a reject. Let's go do the slump. Okay guys, now we are on the testing area. We're waiting for the concrete and then we're going to do the slump test. We're going to do the slump test. We have 2 labs, Botanical lab, and then we have rod lab. So we're going to test the concrete, we're going to do the slump and then take the cube. You can see the cube moves there. Can you please spin it for 3 minutes? It's fine, you can hold it. $75. Perfect. Yeah, got it. So we are done testing the concrete, the slump pass, and we have 75 and 85 for both labs. So now we are making the cubes. And this is W30. Pouring the V drains now. Abazoyibhuka bazoyigalela mara I don't think bazo.
Ndomcela ukuthi uselantshini. Njani kanti wena mlomo?
Ufike wala na.
Go party pa. Kodwa nithi kumli kulunto this right ko. Yilo. Ije lokusebenza le.
Asiyo. Asiyo.
Awukwazi ukuthi ku foundation wakangwenza.
Concrete done. Moi. Look at this.